Hi, how are you? Vegetable chunks, splattered food, cheese stains decrease the working efficiency of microwave and makes it unhygienic as well. Therefore, frequent cleaning of microwave is essential. The tips help maintain a sterile and clean microwave. Don't worry, problem solved! Here are some ways to clean and deodorise microwave. Clean the microwave using a lemon. Clean the microwave using vinegar. Clean the microwave using paper towel. And clean the microwave using baking soda. Clean the microwave using a lemon. Take a microwave safe bowl and fill it half with water. Now squeeze a lemon into this water. Place the bowl in microwave and turn it on. Set it for 5 minutes. Wait for a couple of minutes. Open the door of microwave. Take out the bowl and spinning plate very carefully. Use a sponge and wipe out all the dirt and food remains. Keep the plate back in the microwave after cleaning it. Clean the microwave using vinegar. Take a microwave safe bowl and fill it half with water. Mix a tablespoon of white vinegar in it and place it in the microwave. Turn on the microwave for 5 minutes. The entire dried gunk on the wall of microwave will loosen with the stain. Now wipe down all the sides of your microwave. Take out the spinning plate and wash it with water. You are done with the cleaning process. Clean the microwave using paper towel. Put a handful of wet paper towel in the microwave. Turn it on and wait for 5 minutes. The steam produced from the paper towel will soften the gunk. Let the paper towel cool down. Afterwards, use them to wipe down the inside of the microwave. Clean the microwave using baking soda. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and warm water in 1:2 ratio. Apply it on dried on glue and spills. Leave it for 5 minutes. Now use a sponge and clean this solution. Use a paper towel for final touch. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.